Hi everyone, my name is Garfield. Today I would like to present my machine learning project. My project title called Russian World Cup 2018 is the one I want to present today. As you know, the World Cup 2018 is finished in this summer, and I'm a football fan, and I would like to predict which team is the champion team using the machine learning mechanism. So of course, there are so many factors to affect each of the game, the result. But we also try to capture in the machine learning to predict in this predict model. So my goal for this one is I want to predict the outcome of each individual matches for the whole entire competition. Second, once we identify each group winner, then I will run a simulator for the next match in a quarter final, semi-final, and also final match. After that, I can get the result which two teams will be the final team, and then I can predict which one is the champion. The dataset I used in this project, I will using two datasets from Coursera.com. The first one is the result of all historical matches starting from 1930. That means the first World Cup year for all participating teams in this dataset. Second dataset I will use is the team information in World Cup 2018, such as the team name, in which group, and also how many teams in the group as well. Now we are going to do some exponential analysis on these two datasets before we start. Doing a feature and engineering is to select the relevant features for our predictions. Next is the data exposition. After analysis the dataset, the result set have the data for those past matches. Then the new dataset will be useful for analysis and predict the future matches. In my case, I add the goal difference and also the outcome column in the dataset. Oh, that's good. Then we can run the data. I will create a dataset to including all the participating teams in this World Cup 2018. That means total 32 teams will be added into the dataset. Then I will modify the Y column, Y predict label. For example, if two teams matches, then I will use 2. This value is for the the home team has win. 1 is for the draw and or a tie. 0 means the away team win. I will using the appendix get dummy this function to do an analysis. It will replace all categorized column with one hot representation to enable them to load it into the second learned model. I will divide the data into 2 parts. I will using 17% for training, another 13% for testing. I will using logical regression, a classified algorithm. It will measure the relationship between categories dependent variable and one or more dependent variable by estimate the probability using the logical functions, specifically communication logic distribution. Okay, now we have all the data set is prepared. Then we will need to do some data visualization. So I will start the match predict. So starting from the group matches first, in World Cup we will divide total 8 group, small group. Each small group have 4 teams. So I will using this model to run the result and then get the first runner-up and the champion of the group. Then after identify 2 winners for each team, then we will have a total 16 team for the next stage is the one of clock out this stage. So I will also simulate this 16 clock out simulation. Then I will get some result, interesting result for the teams. I will have some prediction is Portugal versus France, Brazil versus England, Spain will versus Argentina, Germany will versus Belgium. Then this is the team. After the semi-final, we will have 2 winners, 2 matches for this one. We will get the result is Portugal versus Brazil and Germany versus Argentina. Then final game will be Brazil versus Germany. Then our model won again. The final champion is Brazil in my case. So this is how I won the prediction using my data for this project. Thank you.